to my YouTube channel. So remember, just hit subscribe to see more of my videos coming your way. So today I just wanted to talk to you about kind of how to achieve the perfect nails for 2018 and kind of making yourself feel better. I find if my nails aren't done, then I'm like just not focused, can't do anything. It's like a must-have for me, just to make me feel better. Not worry about what everybody else thinks, just how to make you feel good as a woman and give you that kind of strength and determination and just that feel-good factor. So recently I saw that Michelle Keegan was sporting exactly what I've got. I'll hold them up for you. Just the natural gel overlay using like a nude kind of pink color. This is one of my favorites because it simply goes with everything. So when I saw her wearing them, I was like, yes, that is exactly what I like to see. 2018, about the soft, nude, natural colors. And it's just proof that you don't have to have really long nails to kind of make yourself feel good or your hands look good. By even just having the short nails like myself, and it was exactly the same length that Michelle Keegan had on her nails. They could even be a little bit shorter, so you don't have to worry if you really haven't got a lot there. Just get some gel polish on them. And again, this can be done, you can do it yourself at home. And some of my other videos, I'll show you how to apply it. So you can just simply do your own, nice and quick. You're gonna save yourself some pennies by doing it at home yourself, but you're also gonna make yourself feel good. So try it, this nice nude color. Remember, 2018 is about clean cut, short, pastel colors, and you're simply gonna love it. You'll be amazed how good it makes you feel. So remember, just hit subscribe to tune into more of my videos, and I look forward to sharing you the videos of how to actually do the gel polish. See you soon.